Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will briefly explain to you about how you should do your report project. So actually, I have listed down everything in the instruction Popbl file, but this is just a brief video so that you can get the overall explanation on the project. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to have a cover page like this. Second one, you need to have table of contents where you should have all of the titles together with the number of pages. Next is the introduction. So if you read all of this introduction, basically you can get this information from the proposal 1. Next is data analysis and discussion. So you need to lay out your data starting with qualitative data first and followed by the quantitative data. So in order for you to analyze your data, you need to have a different set of analysis such that you can see the first question here on gender, they are using donut chart. After you analyze, please add your discussion down here. You can see the second question here, they use a pie chart and also discussion. Third, qualitative data, they use a line chart and then followed by discussion. Next one is quantitative data. So you can lay out all your data like this and all the calculation. After that, you can get the frequency distribution table. And then next one, you can list down one by one, starting with mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. So please make sure after you have calculated, you add the discussion. The next component that you need to have is graph. You can choose any graph that you want, either an OGIF or a histogram. So as usual, after you put the analysis of graph here, make sure you write the discussion. Finally, you need to put your conclusion and suggestion. Don't forget to add Islamic perspective in this section. And finally, your reference or bibliography. You need to use APA style in writing the bibliography. So you can see that the students here have written it in APA style. And final step, you need to do the appendix where you will insert your survey form. That's the end of the report project. All the best to you and your team. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.